Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change formation in Fantasy Premier League. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to change the formation in Fantasy Premier League, the method is simple but a bit different from what most people expect. First, make sure that your FPL application is updated to the latest version so all features work properly. To do this, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Premier League app. Here, if you blue update button instead of open, make sure to press that button to update your app. After updating, open the app and then log into your account. Once you are on the dashboard of Premier League, head over to the Fantasy section. From there, tap on the Pick Team option, which is where you can view and manage your current lineup. This page shows all your starting players on the pitch along with your available substitutes on the bench. Now, it's important to note that FPL does not provide a direct button to switch formations. Instead, formation changes happen automatically based on the positions of the players you move. So, in order to adjust your formation, you simply need to swap players between your bench and starting lineup. Select the player you want to substitute from your team, then select Substitute. Then drag a player from your bench onto the pitch to replace someone in a different position. Once you do this, the formation will update itself according to the positions being changed. You can repeat this process as many times as you need to create any formation that FPL allows. Just remember that each formation must follow the rules of having at least 3 defenders and 1 goalkeeper at all times. After you're satisfied with the adjustments, your new formation will automatically be saved and applied. This way, you can easily customize your team structure based on upcoming fixtures, player form, or your weekly strategy. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change formation in Fantasy Premier League. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.